Hello friend, welcome back to my lecture on uh, recent technologies on next generation computing as well as I'm talking about artificial intelligence and industry 4.0. So lots of things are there in this new era of technology. So in this new generation of computing, this is somehow machine intelligence, AI, artificial intelligence, deep learning, so many newer technology, and this is the future. And somehow industry 4.0 is around us, and AI is doing lots of things, and IoT, big data, and so many new dimensions of technology are going on. So I'm talking about all these technologies. So how the growth and how the things had changed and how the things had evolved, you can see in this slide. 8,000 years ago we had started agricultural revolution, but it has taken so long time to come to this industrial revolution. And but after this industrial revolution, things are changing so fast, and things are innovating so fast. So we are innovating the things, we are innovating the new era of new direction. So after that, this industrial revolution, after 120 year of this industrial revolution, we have evolved this light bulb, and then came to this era of moon landing. So these are the remarkable changes and remarkable development. These are the milestone of this technological era. And today we have this World Wide Web, and we are talking about the human genome sequence, DNA sequencing. So lots of things we are talking about, and lots of things happening in between. We have been IoT, big data, 3D printing. So many things are going on. We have been this Alexa, Ross Intelligence, Watson. So many changes are going on in this direction. So we are talking this technology. We are talking this new technology, this industrial revolution, and things going towards this direction. So, if we see the broadly, we can say the era of mechanization, era of electrification, and then era of automation. So we have been moved forward this era of automation. We have been moving towards this era of innovation. Now we can say era of innovation, to innovating new things, new technology, new changes we are doing. So AI is in during 90s, 50 that time. AI existed at that time. So that time during 1950s, we have been this tic-tac-toe. This is the application of AI. But today AI is so powerful. You can see the scenario of this AI, and you can see this picture. Today AI is so powerful. AI is playing chess game with the world's number one, and Google's Go playing AI is still undefeated with victory over world's number one. So this was the AI. This is the AI of this 2016-17. So this was the change, and this is AI. This is the application of AI. Sophia is representing this era. Sophia is the remark of this era, and Sophia is a big development for the computer scientists. It was she is the Sophia is number one. And first robotic citizen of Saudi Arabia, and she can deliver excellent speech, and she can deliver extempore speech as well, and she can answer you any question, anything. So this is the development, and this is the things going in this direction. And we are talking about the cognitive computing. Sometimes we are talking about cognitive computing, machine learning, machine intelligence, artificial. How about the AI is the superset of all these things. So Bloomberg had named it machine intelligence. Microsoft named it machine learning. IBM is talking it cognitive computing. So we have been many terms, but somehow these terms are related to each other. They are synonym of each other. So we are talking about the cognitive computing, and this cognitive computing represent the next big wave of supercomputing. So we are talking about this. We have been this driverless car today, and this is the wonderful development. And the cars are talking. Cars having sensors, and these sensors are talking to each other. They are sensing the assistance or other cars. So autonomous vehicle is the application of AI. So the companies like Tesla, like Google, previously they are preparing the software. Now these companies are working on this direction. They are working on these products, AI based products. They are selling AI based products. They are preparing AI based products. We are talking about the unmanned aerial vehicle. This is also a artificial intelligence embedded system. So this type of development, unmanned aerial vehicle, or we have been drones, lots of drone and different types of drone. So these are the development are going on, and we have come across from this AI to machine learning to deep learning. So we are extracting deeply. We are extracting the information and the knowledge from the things. So this is the time after 2010 we are talking about the deep learning. So this is the miraculous development, and we have been moved forward this tic-tac-toe AI, tic-tac-toe based AI, AI-based tic-tac-toe. So we are able to extract the things, and we can recognize the things, and we can extract the features of the things. So this is very uh, easy right now, and the things we how we are extracting the things, how we are identifying, we are detecting the things, and this is possible due to this AI. So AI is the next big wave. AI is the next big wave of supercomputing, cognitive computing, AI, deep learning. So this is very important today, and we can extract the feature. And machine learning is very popular right now. We can find out that the particular thing is cat or dog. Maybe they are looking same. Uh, from the distance, if we see the two objects will be visualized same, but AI will find that exact object, which type of object is this, and so this is we have been number of layers, and by these number of layers we can find them, and these are the application. We have been lots of application. You can see this is one of the development which is done by the Google's AI. Google's AI uses the retinal image, and by taking this retinal image, the Google's application will find the cardiovascular risk of any person. So this is possible right now, that Google is preparing the software. Previously, basically when it was started, that time it was preparing software, and all it was basically it was IT company. But now Google is preparing driverless car. Google is working on this direction, this medical field, and he can develop such type of application which can find the cardiovascular risk factor of human. So this type of application are going on, and we are talking about man-machine supremacy. So if the man along with the machine, he will be supreme. So we know we have to implement the technology. We have to learn the technology. Otherwise, we will be lost ourselves, and we will be thrown out the market. And machine can replace, as well as machine is supplement of the human. So we have to chase this race of technology, and this is the time. And somehow we are talking about the machine replacing man, cloud replacing culture. So machine is very important. It is replacing man, and cloud is replacing the culture. We have been lots of social media networking sites. AI is very important right now. AI replacing the emotion. So these things are going on, and we have been so many technologies smarter. We are talking about the smarter planet. We have been mobile, cloud, social media, big data, internet of things. So many things we have. So many technology we have. So they are making this planet more and more smarter, and more and more intelligent. So we are talking about this intelligent, smarter era of computing. So again, we are talking about the convergence of the technology. We have different technology, and combining and collaborating all these technologies, robotics, and natural interfaces, 3D printing, Internet of Things, community system, next gen internet. So combining all these technology, we are making the new technology. So this was a great development, and we are talking about the fourth industrial revolution, and somehow we are talking about the digital revolution. So we have been moved from industrial revolution to IT revolution, and then today We have been in this era of digital revolution. So we have been lots of robot. We have been different type of robot in terms of drone robots in a tiny robot. So many things are going on, and so many technologies we have. So they are replacing man. They are machine is replacing knowledge work. Machine is doing all the things in all the direction. So this is going on. This is the technology. So we have been IoT, big data, smart factory, advanced analytics, service robotics, and smart machines. So we have been the future of all these things. IoT is number one, big data is number two. So this way we have been different types of things, and these big companies like Google, Adobe, and Microsoft, Cisco, Amazon. So they are existing right now, and the companies 50 years back, the companies which are number one, now they are not in number one because they have not innovated. Some of these companies have not innovated. So the companies which are innovating, so they are giving big economic impact and they are earning. So they have been huge economic impact over the society. And Mark Zuckerberg, so it was its empire. So 200 more than 855 million accounts have been all across the world. So this was the empire of this Facebook or Zuckerberg. So this is the time when we now we have changed the things we are talking about. We are not talking about old is gold. We are talking about new is gold. So we have to adopt new technology. So that new technology is good. So Zuckerberg, the student of psychology and computer science, he knows the things, and he has first launched this Facebook. So Facebook is number one, and no other company can compete with the Facebook like the social sites. So this was the things, and social impact also very important by these companies like YouTube, Wikipedia, Twitter, Facebook. So these are the part of our life, and in every day without Facebook, without Twitter or YouTube or Flickr. So we these are the part of our life, and all the time we are using all these apps, and so they are giving a big social impact to our students, our children, we ourselves, our society. So all these things are going on, and right now we can see during this situation of this COVID-19. So we all the time busy on different type of the virtual meeting. So without these technology, we cannot survive, and otherwise we will be out of the track. And so these are the things. And Facebook, Google, you can understand this. Facebook and Google are so important. They can own whole media. Apple is owns the whole market of the phone, and Amazon is all is about molest the entire retail ecosystem. So this is the things. This is the scenario of this current world, and we have been exponential growth in different technology, different devices. We have been huge devices, and the devices are very rapidly they are out of market, and new devices are replacing that older one. So we have been energy storage, we have increased our energy network capacity has been increased. In biotech we are doing lots, and 3D printer we have been mobile devices, cognitive computing we have, machine translation is very important right now. Virtual reality is very important right now. Web 2.0 from we are transition we are doing transition from Web 2.0 to 3.0. So this is Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus, all are the part of this Web 2.0. Processing power is increasing right now. New materials is coming by this 3D printer. Speech recognition is very reliable and very efficient right now. So frequently we are using this one. Digital communication is possible now. Cloud computing is everything is on cloud. Sensors, we have been lots of sensors. Drone is very important system which is going to part of our life, and robots are there. Storage is increasing day by day. So these are the things going on, and cyber physical world we are talking about the much. All the things, all the computational element are controlled. All the physical elements are controlled by the computational element. The system of collaborating computational element controlling the physical entity. So So where the system, all the things are controlled by the computing element, so physical element. So cyber physical world, we are talking about the cyber physical world. We have been lots of robot, and these robots are serving us, and we are embedding machines in our body. So this is going on, and we have been lots of devices, we have been lots of sensors also we have. And you can see this type of devices. Mobile is so powerful right now that mobile can we can use any type of the accessory with mobile. So this is wonderful development. So you can see here the small accessories of costing rupees 399. It can judge the sugar level of our body. So it can be attached with our mobile phone. So this type of the system, this type of machines are innovating. So we have to innovate the new things. We have to think, we have to change the system and change the things. So 3D printing is very popular. We can prepare any type of the new material. So so 3D, along with this 3D printing in textile, we are talking about the textile 4.0, we are talking about the worker 4.0, education 4.0. So this is the remarkable change of big data analytics, AI, advanced robotics, 3D printing, smart wearable, Internet of Things. So lots of technologies are evolved today, and they are going in a big way. And the devices are connected right now, and we can use these devices, and we can operate the system sitting inside the home. We have been lots of sensors, so remotely we can operate the big machines. You can see these the agriculture, Indian agriculture system. We have been lots of machines. So these machines are controlled by the home, and we have been powerful GPS, we have been sensor, we have been speed of processor, internet speed. So everything is there. So we have also done the same type of work in, some time back. So it was my DST project when we have developed a conveyor, and it the this is the system which we have in-house development. So so as the apple arrives in the conveyor belt, so accordingly we have been infrared sensor, we have been different camera, different weighing machine. So it activates the infrared sensor, activates the whole system, and it starts sensing the quality of parameter of the apple, and it would send these parameters to the system, and system based software will start. And accordingly the AI, we have been trained AI, and then that trained AI automatically find the quality of apple, and it will start these motors. We have been two motors, and these motors will start, and they will send the apple or as per their quality. So this type of work we have done, and somehow we have been sensor, we have been different parameter accessing sensor also. So we can develop this type of the system, and this is this type of the new work. So this is innovative work. So you can see another view of this work. So basically uh, this is the flow chart of our system. So we have been developed a sorter to classify the apple quality. So this is under DST, Department of Science and Technology. So IoT is very popular right now, and we can use different sensors in our body, and accordingly they will sense the internal activity of our body, and like ECG sensor, motion sensor. So they will send all the data recorded from the body. It will send the data to the internet, and internet cloud-based system software will sense, and they will process accordingly. And they are connected with the hospital, with the databases, with the framework. So they will find any adverse condition. Suppose they are finding any adverse condition of or health, so they will automatically send the message to our mobile phone. So this type of system is going on. We have also developed a water quality assessment system. You can see here. So we have been, this is a small IoT based water quality assessment system. We have been different sensors. You can see here the six sensors are dipped on the water, and the quality is we are receiving the quality on this smart mm, smart screen, touch screen. So we have been Arduino, we have been GSM, we have been different sensor, etc. So we are finding these values. So we have done this type of work. You can see this one also related to our project work, and this is the launching of our device. So then in healthcare we can develop different type of the system like BP monitor, glucose monitoring, ECG monitoring, pulse monitoring. So this can be possible right now. This is the telemedicine is possible now, telemonitoring, telesurgery, remote medicine education. So all the things are possible now. And this type again we have developed some work on this soil quality assessment. We have been these parameters. This is our smart skin. You can see this is the larger view of this smart skin here. And we have been different sensor. We have been this capacitive soil PS sensor, MQ2 and Q7, and soil moisture DTL. So we have been this is temperature sensor. So we have been all these sensors, and on the basis of these sensors we are finding the soil quality. This is PS sensor. We are dipping the sensor on the soil. So we have also worked in this direction also. This is the practical implementation of these soil quality assessment. And so these are the systems, and lots of other systems are going on. You can see here the smart field camera is inside the body. So and we can visualize our inside condition in our tablet or in our smart devices. So IoT is somehow IoT framework is used here. So we have been different robots, and they are very important. So this way we have been smartphone. We have been the concept of right now smart homes, smart cars, smart factory, and lots of market is pulling towards lots of other devices. So we are smart. We are going smarter, and we are doing all the things. And digital manufacturing, we are talking about the digital factory, smart factory, and 24 by 7 factory. The factory, their work is never closed right now, and they are out and dark all the time, light out and or dark. They don't mean that what is the time, so accordingly they are working all the time. So this increase the productivity, and worker 4.0 is very essential now. And we have to uh, we have to train ourselves accordingly. So this is the future cognitive system. This is the future cognitive era. Soft computing is very important, hard computing, AI is very important. So these are all the things we are talking about the transhumanism, and machine learning is very important, soft computing is very important, speech recognition, we are talking about the speech recognition. So this is emerging area. And deep neural network is very important right now. So these are the different technologies, and we are talking about the era of different computing, and algorithm computing to cognitive computing. We have been moved towards this direction. So IBM Watson is the future, and Watson is very important right now. And IBM is doing the remarkable change in this direction. We can find that the cancer is malignant or not by this IBM Watson. Ross intelligence is very important right now. Ross is the intelligent lawyer in US which is working towards this direction. So man-machine partnership is important right now. So this is the great development happening all the time. So I hope you understand all the things, and we are doing lots of changes in computational agriculture in all the direction. So I hope you understand all the changes. So thank you guys. Thank you very much.